Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss periodic table, which is a topic of class 11th of inorganic chemistry. So memorizing the periodic table is often considered a nightmare for the students, right? So today I'm going to make this thing quite easier for you and such that you learn the periodic table, memorize the periodic table with certain mnemonics. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So before memorizing it, I would like to give a very brief introduction of the periodic table. So first of all, what is a periodic table? So it is a periodic classification of the elements, okay, in a systematic manner. So as we know that we have a total of 118 elements, right, that has been discovered as of now, and these are arranged into 18 vertical columns, as you can see: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, right? So there are 18 vertical groups, okay, 18 vertical columns which are known as groups. So let me write 18 groups, and as you can see there are 7 horizontal rows, right? So 7 horizontal rows which are also known as the periods. 7 periods. Okay. So these are some basic preliminary things which you must know, right? That there are 18 groups and 7 periods. Now, another thing, that in the periodic table we have uh, classified the elements into several categories. Like as you can see, we have alkali metals, we have alkaline earth metals, transition metals, lanthanides, actinides, and so on and so forth. Right. So the first group, okay, that is group number one. The group number one is known as the alkali metals. Right. So as you can see here, we have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So let's start with the group one. So the mnemonic for this is He, Li, Na, Ka, Ribbon, Kisne, Fara. Right. As you can see, He stands for hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. So this is how it goes. Helena, carbon, kisne, Fara. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay. I hope it sounds perfect. Next, we have the group number 2. So for group number 2, we see that these are known as the alkaline earth metals. The group number 2, the elements we have in group number 2 are known as the alkaline earth metals. So we have, you can see, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Now let's see the group number 2. Group number 2. So we have beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and radium. So the trick for it, it's a quite funny trick. As you can see, beta, magnesium, mange. For calcium, we have Kanya, Sundar. Okay, I missed out one. Here we have barium and radium. Kanya Sundar Baap Razi. Okay. So beta mange Kanya Sundar Baap Razi. Right? So here we have beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. That is group number 2. Now we are moving on to group number 13. Okay. Another thing, first I'll be, you know, doing one. We have completed group number 1, group number 2. Then we will be doing 13 to 18, and then we will be doing the 3 to 12. So first I'll be telling you group number 13. Okay. So for group number 13, let me change the color to say pink. So for group number 13, just have a look. We have boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. Right? So let's start. We have boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. So how to remember it? It's very simple. It's bengan, then we have aloo, we have gajar in thali. Okay. So bengan, aloo, gajar in thali. So boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. That's all for group 13. Now let's move on to the next group, which is group number 14, right? So it is the carbon family. For group number 14, we have carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Let's have a look. So let's change the color. Yeah. So for group number 14, we have carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. So for remembering this, the mnemonic goes like this: chemistry, sir, gave Sankey problems. So for group number 14, we have chemistry, sir, gave Sankey problems. So the word Sankey, we do not have any such word known as Sankey, but we have used it just mnemonic seems to be rhyming, right? So for group number 14, we have chemistry, sir, gave Sankey problems, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. So sounds good. Next, we have the group number 15. So just have a look. We have nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. So for this, let's again change the color. Let's have green. So let's go. So group number 15. So we see nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So we have here Nana Patekar, Aishwarya, सब बीमार. So Nana Patekar, Aishwarya, सब बीमार. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. So this is the mnemonic for group number 15. Okay, I hope you understand. Now next we have the group number 16, that is the oxygen family. We have oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. So let's start with the group number 16. So group number 16, we have oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. So now the mnemonic O. For sulfur we have style, say tail, polish. O style say tail polish. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Fine. Now we have the group number 17, which is the halogen family, pink. So group number 17, which is also known as the halogen family. So let's start with group number 17, which is also known as the halogens. So we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. We have first class biryani in Australia. First class biryani in Australia. We have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. Fine. Now we have finally the group number 18, which is known as the noble slash inert gases. So why are they called so? The noble gases or inert gases, why are they called so? The reason being, these elements are quite unreactive. So let's have a look at the elements. We have helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Right? So we have helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So I hope I have not made a mnemonic for the noble gases because I suppose it's very much common, the noble gases. I hope most of you have heard of the noble gases, all the noble gases. Krypton, xenon, and radon. Fine. So till now we have completed group number 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Fine. So almost half of the periodic table is done. Now we will be moving to the group number 3. We have the scandium, yttrium, and lanthanides and actinides. Okay, so you'll see that this is a very special group as we have the inner transition elements, lanthanides and actinoids within this group. So group number 3 is really very special. So let's see. So for group number 3, we have scooter, Yamaha, Lao, Ek. Fine. Scooter, that is scandium, Yamaha, yttrium, Lao, that is the lanthanum, Ek, that is actinum. Okay. Now a special note that I would like to give that this La, lanthanum and actinum, here As you can see that in the periodic table that it is 57. Okay, atomic number 57 to 71 is residing in this particular box, and in the actinoids we have 89 to 103. So the lanthanoids we are first talking about. The lanthanoids, as you can see, it is placed at the bottom of the periodic table as it could not be accommodated in this particular place, so it is positioned at the bottom of the periodic table. So for the lanthanoid series we have lanthanum, cerium, you can see presidium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, then we have dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thallium, and so on. So it sounds pretty difficult, as you can see, but we have a mnemonic for you. So for the lanthanoid series, lanthanoid series, okay, it is group number 3, period number 6. Fine. The group number 3, period number 6. Let's check once. As you can see, group number 3 and period number 6. Okay. Have सीने पर न दिया प्रेम की समाई यूं ही गदगद तब दिल और तुम. So we have सीने पर न दिया प्रेम की समाई यूं ही गदगद तब दिल हुआ और तुम YBLU. So this is the lanthanoid series. सीने पर न दिया प्रेम की समाई यूं ही गदगद तब दिल हुआ और तुम YBLU. So, but if you repeat it 3 4 times, I hope you'll remember it. So now we'll be moving to the actinoid series, which is the group number 3 and periodic number is 7. Fine. So let's see. Yeah. So we have the actinoid series, as you can see, from thorium to lawrencium. So let's have a look. Actinoid series for U Napo. So we have the actinoid series. So let's start remembering it. Thode, Papar, U, Napo. Then we have Purane, Am, Kam, Bikenge. कॉफी ऐसे फरमाओ madam. Then we have noodles लाओ. थोड़े पापड़ यूं नापो, पुराने आम कम बिकेंगे. कॉफी ऐसे फरमाओ, मैडम नूडल्स लाओ. So we are done with the Actinoid series. Now we will be moving on to the next group, which is the group number 4, that is titanium, zirconium, and hafnium. So let's start with the group number 4. So for group number 4, we have titanium, zirconium, and hafnium. It goes like T, zara, half. Okay, T, zara, half, titanium, zirconium, and hafnium. So it's quite easy. Next, we have the group number 5. We have the group number 5. It goes like वो नवाब था. Right, V, NB, and TA. Next, we move to group number 6. For group number 6, we have crow, mo, tongue. Now, why tongue? Because we know that W is the symbol for tungsten. Fine. So that's why tongue. So we will be remembering it as crow, mo, tongue. Fine. Next, we move on to the group number 7. Group number 7, which is MN, TC, and R. If you want, you can check it. Group number 7. So you have MN, TC, and RD. What's the mnemonic for it? Let's have a look. It is Man, Tak, Re. Fine. Now we have the next group, which is group number 8. We have a very special element, that is iron, in this group. So here you can just remember it like this: Fe, Ru, Us. As you can know that iron is also known as ferrous. Okay, the iron Fe2 plus positive is known as ferrous. So you will remember it like Fe, Ru, Us. Fine. Now we will be moving on to the group number 9. Let's change the color to, let's say, blue. Now we have group number 9. So for group number 9, we have, let's see, for group number 9, we have cobalt, rhodium, and iridium. So for this, we have another interesting mnemonic: cobalt, then we have iridium. For this, the mnemonic goes like कौन रहेगा Ireland. कौन रहेगा Ireland. Group number 10, which is nickel, palladium, and platinum. Just have a look. We have already completed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So just have a look. We are currently at group number 10, which is nickel, palladium, and platinum. It goes like नहीं पढ़ोगे पिटोगे. Fine. This is group number 10. And we have then group number 11, which is CU, AG, and U. So this is also pretty simple. I hope almost everyone is familiar with it. Cu stands for copper, then we have silver, then we have gold. Copper, silver, gold. That is group number 11. Okay. Now we have almost reached the end of the periodic table. We have just one group left, and then we will be done with it, which is the group number 12. Zinc, cadmium, and mercury. We have group number 12. We have zinc, cadmium, and mercury. It goes like Zinni, Canada, होगा. Fine. So I think we are done with the periodic table, right? So now I'll be just doing a quick revision for the all the groups. So whatever we have studied, let's have a quick recap. So I have told you that we have 118 elements in the periodic table. We have 18 groups that are vertical, and we have 7 horizontal periods. Then we studied about the group 1, which are also known as the alkali metals. We have Helena, carbon, Kisne, Fada, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Then we have group number 2, Gange, Kanya, Sundar, Ba, Prazi, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Fine. Then we have group 13, that is Bengan, Alu, Gazer in Thali, that is boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Then we have chemistry, sir gave some problems for group 14. Then we have Nana, Patikar, Aishwarya, Sab Bimar. Then for group 16, we have oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium, that is O style se tel polish. Then we have the group number 17, that is the halogens. We have first class biryani in Australia, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. Group 18, the noble gases. We have helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Then we have the group number 3, that is scooter, Yamaha, Lao, Ek. Okay. Then we have the lanthanoid series. सीने पर नदियाँ प्रेम की समाई यूं ही गदगद तब्दील हुआ और तुम YBLU. That is the group 3, 6th period. Then we move on to the actinoid series. थोड़े पापड़ यूं नापो पुराने आम कम बिकेंगे कॉफी ऐसे फरमाओ मैडम नूडल्स लाओ. Okay, this is the actinoid series. Then we have the group number 4, which is titanium, zirconium, and hafnium, which is T Zara half. Then we have Wo Nawab Tha for group number 5. For group number 6, we have chromium, molybdenum, and tungsten, that is chromotang. Fine. For group number 7, you can see magnesium, technetium, rhenium, that is Man Takre. For group 8, we have ferrous. Fine. For group number 9, we have कौन रहेगा Ireland, cobalt, rhodium, and iridium. कौन रहेगा Ireland. Then we have group number 10, that is nickel, palladium, and platinum. नहीं पढ़ोगे पिटोगे. Fine. Then we have the group number 11, the copper, silver, and gold. Then group number 12, that is Zini Canada Hoga. Zini Canada Hoga. That is the group number 12. Fine. So we are done with the remembering the periodic table video, and I suppose you enjoyed the video and you found it interesting, and I suppose you'll be able to memorize the periodic table with the help of the mnemonics. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.